solar power Guardian 240X PIR motion sensor floodlight. Okay, those who already have watched the part 1, which is the demonstration. The part 2 right now is actually we want to spend a bit on the technical specification. Okay, let me do a very quick one. What is a sensor light? Basically, a motion sensor light, or PIR, passive infrared motion sensor light, is a light that will not on until there is a motions activate the light, and then the light will turn on, and then for certain duration you can program that. Then after that they will turn off. Alright, so this is we call it a motion sensor light. Yeah, it's very good, especially used for security. Alright, so let's say you install it outside your house or in your compound, and someone is out there and the light will turn on, then you will know someone is out there. Yeah. Okay, let me touch a bit on the technical specification when building this light. We always want to have a very high-end industrial grade solar panel used for our entry-level solar light, but most of the time, because of cost, we can't build solar panel that is made of aluminum frame and things like that. But nevertheless, for this Guardian 240, actually we are using a very high grade polycrystalline solar panel. And if you have used an entry level solar light or mid level solar light, you will find out that this solar panel for Guardian 240X is a very high quality build up. Okay, and we also make it in the design in a way is look very futuristic, so it look good. Basically you can mount this thing anywhere you like. Okay, you can mount it like this, alright, and get the maximum sunlight that you want, or even you can mount on the wall. Alright, then adjust to the angle that you want to. Yeah. This is polycrystalline, and it roughly produce about 2 watt, 2 watt peak. I would say that this is enough, more than adequate enough power for this Guardian 240 PIR motion floodlight. Yeah, it comes with a cable that long enough, alright, so that you can mount your panel somewhere on the roof or very far away. Then you can connect to the floodlight. Okay, so the next item I want to touch is the Guardian, the floodlight itself. Alright, those of you have seen the part 1 video, and you find out it's very bright. Yeah, we actually put it in 46 CREE LED. Of course, it's powered by CREE. LED is the most powerful LED in the market right now. So that's why it's not just very bright, producing roughly about 300 lumen, but it's also can shoot very far away. Yeah, so it's very useful, and you have a long distance you want to bright it out. Yeah. We have tested this in many applications, and then we find out actually when the motion is activated, you will find out the light is so bright that sometimes it will blind you. Yeah. Okay, so that's why the 64 CREE LED produce roughly about 300 lumens is good enough for this floodlight. Yeah, and this floodlight actually, if you look at the back, here is where is the battery compartment. Okay, we want to build a solar light that can last very long, and you do not need to worry about changing battery and things like that, low maintenance costs. So what we'll do in the Guardian 240 is that we traditionally we normally use NIMH or NICD kind of rechargeable battery, but this time we make it a bit better. We actually using a lithium battery. Yeah, lithium battery is used in this application. Yeah, so normally lithium battery always have the longer usable that kind of thing. So we expect this can be used for 2000 cycle. In other words, is this guy will be able to last for 5 years without changing the the battery. So you expect about 5 years you will change the battery. Alright, so at the back here there's on off switch. You can basically turn it on. Yeah, okay. So of course right now it's very bright in the sunny day, so you will not blind the camera. Okay, the third thing I want to touch on actually is the motion sensor itself. Okay, this kind of motion sensor is nothing new, widely used. Most of the security floodlight or spotlight, very good sensor, this model of sensor. But what's so special about our sensor, this is we make it into a digital. Alright, if you can see, this is a digital sensor. Why digital is because those manual analog sensor, sometimes at the back here, when you adjust it, it's very hard to pinpoint exactly how many second or how many minutes you want to on the light and things like that. So we make it easier for the user, is that is by digital. Like for example, when you switch on the time and on the digital, you can have a 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 until 9. Okay, the smallest one is actually is 1. Basically 0 is basically, sorry, the smallest one is 0. Basically is you will on the light for about 5 seconds. Yeah, then slowly increasing, all right, to 9. 9 basically you will on the light for roughly about 10 minutes, and then it will shut it down. All right, and then also you can control the lux, okay, the brightness of the environment. Yeah, so design wise, we actually know that security sensor, like most of the time floodlight, you would like to mount in area or corner that is strategically. So most of the time you need it to be able to the sensor itself can be turned to any direction you want. So our team here basically designed it in the sense you can face any direction, all right, that you want to face. All right, and then as for the light itself, we also designed it, you can basically move to any direction that you want to. All right, you can left, right, you can move it basically up, down. So for mounting wise, you will have a lot of angle and degree that you can cover, yeah, all the light. And this light actually we designed in also very light. Okay, so let's say if you have hard time to mount, basically you have 2 screws here at the mount, but some people say I don't have a drill and it's very hard to to drill on the wall and vice versa. All you can do is you can use a good quality 3M tap, put it at the back, double tap, yeah. So and then stick it on the wall. Why you can do that is because compared to other, this light, because of using a lithium battery, is very light. Yeah. So strategically you can easily for mounting. Yeah. Okay. So if you have more question about our Guardian 240 security light or the PIR motion sensor light, please you can give us a call or drop us any email, and we're happy to answer them. And lastly, we just want to stress, we believe with this product that launch, especially in Malaysia, we can make a big difference in terms of our security concern. You can mount this in your backyard. You can mount it into your car porch or any dark corner that you feel that you need more sensor, or need more light. Or even those, you also can mount it at your gut house. Let's say if any car comes in, you want to bright out and see what is who is coming and things like that. This is a very ideal things to use. close end. Okay, so thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Right, thanks.